Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be telling you guys two of the easiest way to make money as a web developer. So before we get into the video, I want you guys to hit the subscribe button and like the video so this video will find its way to more people that are trying to make money through web development. So the first way to make money as a web developer is through freelancing, and the second way that I will be mentioning in this video has the lowest barrier to entry. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways for web developers to earn an extra income or even make a full-time living. By offering your services as a freelancer, you can work with clients from around the world, set your own rates, and choose projects that align with your interests and expertise. I know some people that have the impression that freelance websites like Upwork, Fiverr is just a race to the bottom, but that's not entirely correct because there are still high paying clients on these websites that are willing to pay from $5,000 to $10,000 for a single landing page. That is if you know what you are doing. So getting started with freelancing. If you want to get started with freelancing, you have to build a portfolio. Building a portfolio is essential for you to meet high paying clients that will hire you. If you don't have a portfolio, you can go ahead and start building it now. And you don't really need a client for you to build a project. You can build a free website for your friends or for yourself, if you know what I'm talking about. That means you can, like, let me say there is an idea in your head and you just go ahead and build a website for it. You can add that to your portfolio. Then you can show that to your clients that this is what you can do, this is your expertise, this is your skill level. Add that to your portfolio. The second one, we have leveraging freelance platform. You can leverage freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Contra, Freelancer, and so many more to find freelance clients. I promise you that if you know what you are doing, there are so many clients out there that are willing to pay you what you ask them to pay. So at number 3, we have networking and marketing yourself. Marketing yourself is essential for you to become successful as a freelancer. I'm sure that many of you have seen I've seen people like guys on platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn promoting their freelance businesses. Yes, that's because it works. If you can do that, just create an account on this platform and start posting like every website you are building, the steps you take to build it, you take to build them, and just posting stuff like that daily. I promise you that you are going to see a significant increase on the clients that will be coming your way. And for some of us for some of us that don't like showing our face, you can use platforms like Twitter and maybe joining online forums, communities, and all that to promote yourself too. So that's for freelancing. The second way that we'll be talking about is like the lowest barrier to entry, that you don't even have to build that much project. You just okay, no much talking. So the second way that we are going to be talking about for web developers to make money is through technical writing. As a web developer, even if you're a newbie or experienced developer, there's room for you. This is the tech field that has the lowest barrier to entry because you can write about your HTML and CSS and take it up to libraries and frameworks. You can also get paid from $100 to $1,000 for a single article. And it's not just limited to web development. You can be a UI UX writer, a cybersecurity writer, a mobile app writer. Just any field that is tech based need your expertise. So getting started with technical writing, choosing a niche, identify an area of web development that you are knowledgeable about and put your attention there. This can be from being knowledgeable about React to being knowledgeable about HTML. Whatever level of knowledge you have, you can write about it. The second one we'll be talking about is starting a blog or publication. Now, I want you to go to this website to start posting content there. Number 1 is hashnode.com, number 2 is dev.to, and number 3 is medium.com. You can choose any of these platforms to start writing on, but I recommend you write on dev.to. After you're finished writing 6 or more articles on this website, I want you to go to this website to start applying, and I promise you in 2 to 3 weeks you will have the results. The name of this website is whopaystechnicalwriters.com. Once you go to this website, there are like hundreds of websites that are willing to pay you to write for them, and I'll be loading it on here so you guys can see. There are websites that are willing to pay you from $500 to $1,000 to $100 to $50 for you to write something depending on your expertise and your skill level. So that's it, and that's the end of this video. Thanks and peace out. Please like and subscribe to my channel.